Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna look at our new integration we made for OpenAI, which is the web search API. This is now available in the OpenAI integration block. So if you open the OpenAI integration, you can find the new chat completion web search API. So today we are gonna look at a very small use case, what you can build or how it will be useful or powerful it can be for your workflow automations. So for now, in order to use this OpenAI, any of the OpenAI integration, make sure you have done the integration first from your dashboard. Go to integrations, then under artificial intelligence you can find OpenAI, provide your API key and save it. If it is all good, you will get the verified sign here, and make sure you have some credits in your OpenAI account, then only this API integrations will work. So people have some confusion still. They think that if they have ChatGPT plus subscription they can use it. No, it's not like that. For developers, for this kind of developer API or automation, you need to create an account with OpenAI, platform.openai.com. From there you need to generate an API key and provide here. Just for clarification, a lot of people have confusion, so I just want to clarify that. Now let's head back to our integration, the new feature what we have implemented, what you can do or what all things you can expect from this integration. So basically you are giving more control or power to AI to search from websites or from web. So it will give you more free control and more advanced automations you can do. So here I'm just showcasing a specific use case, so where you can provide your own website and the AI can search for some details or data from this website and provide the data. For example, you have a business, you're running a business and you have a lot of FAQs, like you are updating your FAQs in a regularly basis. For example, every week you are adding more data to your websites, and like it will not be very easy to use OpenAI assistant and keep updating the PDFs. So in that scenario this will be very much useful and use case. So for example, for this demo we are using our own documentations page. You can see our documentations link is here. The prompt in the system, we have specified a specific prompt, only search for business data at this website. So now we are telling the OpenAI to only look for data from the specific website and provide the data, and other like how it should be look like, everything is provided. The instructions are given here, and in the messages tab we are providing the input from the customer or user, and here also same, like you can turn on the history, and that is up to your preference. You can make it yes or no, and again another option here is you can select the model. By default it will be on GPT-4 mini search preview. In future if they add more better models, you can update it. Also here you have the option to select the context size web search. So if it make high, means it will be large amount of data will be there, like used for searching. If you put it medium, that according to your preference you can test it out, and which one makes more sense you can make the changes accordingly. Then other few parameters that included here is country, region, city and time zone. So basically what it does is you can select a specific country, like for example your business is mainly focused on mainly in India. So for example you can put your country code as IN, so it will only look for Indian based search, like it will be little more specific, like, and not looking for global, and it will little more specific on a specific country wise search it will make, and search results will be little more better, so that you can try out based on your requirements. You can test it out, and it's more like trial and error, and you will find the difference in that case. So these are the features or parameters that you can enable here. Also token, you can increase the more token means more content it will be generated. So that is pretty much everything that you can do on this API block. Let's ask for something like function block use. Like, so how you configure this, just search for something here and hit on the test button. Now the API will run in the backend. once the result is found, you can see the response here. So you can see a response is found and it is created. So you can map the JSON path. This content has the value, so you can map it. So you can click on this specific content. So you can see the path is selected, and you can provide a variable, or you can create a variable and map the variable. So if you click on it and you can click on test, that means that variable will be created, and you can click on add. So for now we already have a variable, it's already mapped, and then you can save it. So that is pretty much everything you have to do. Let's publish this and let's preview this flow, and we'll get a better idea how it will look like. For example, for this first testing, we are gonna use this specific function flow. What is a function flow, or how it can be used? So something like that. Let's ask this question: how to create function flow. So now, based on our prompt, it probably will look for the specific data from this website. Let's wait for to create. These are the steps. Anyway, it is looking from the data from the entire the website we given. So based on your prompt, changing the prompt, it will give better results. So let's ask, what is a function flow? Let's wait for the AI to respond to this. So basically this is kind of correct, but it doesn't explain the entire concept because we only set the medium context size, that's why. So like, it's giving the basic idea what exactly a function flow and all. Like, let's ask for something a little more specific. What is an external request? Or let's ask this question. You can see the response time also, it's not that that much actually. It is pretty quick only. So that's why it is little more reliable at the moment. So when we test it out, it is kind of very much faster, as you can see. So this way you can make automations like this. So you can see now we got the response for the external request, type of external request that's supported, and so all the information has been provided here. So let's look at this. Let's read down to our documentations anyway, because that's the URL mainly we are focusing on. So let's ask something little more specific, how to use this feature. Let's ask a little more specific question, and let's see if it can understand. Now because we turned on the history, now it knows what actually we are talking about, and it is providing the steps how to use it. Let's take a look at it. So this is what it will look like. These are the steps here. So it is pretty much whatever data we have in the documentation. I mean, it's a simpler format and data is provided here. So this is one of the use case that you can explore if you have a business. If you want to you know, like when a customer asks a question about your FAQs or something, you can automate like this. You can provide, instead of using the assistant doc upload API, you know, every week you have to update your PDF files. This way it can fetch the data from a specific website and provide it. Also make sure, I mean, it can only fetch website that is you know, online publicly accessible. It can do it. At the moment it's still a new API feature that available. I mean, in future it may get better. So this is one of the use case we are exploring, and if you have any other use cases with searching API on web, like, you can explore it. It will bring more opportunity for more powerful automations that you can build on Rapidbott now. So feel free to try it out, test it out, and if you have any issues or any problems, feel free to reach out to our support. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.